What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And guys, I have to say that we have so many interesting news in regards to SOFI. In today's video I will explain you why this asset had this breakout and then it broke again, and it is again inside this formation that I marked previously. I will show you what was the reason of this movement, and I will explain you what should we expect next from the fundamental and from the technical standpoint as well. So guys, before we dive deep into all of this, I have to say that I made a lot of videos in regards to SOFI. And for now, we hit several crucial points of its price action. I will explain you in a minute what I'm talking about. But I have to say that my win rate on SOFI is more than 70 or even 75%. That is why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. On top of that, if you want to enhance your trading skills, if you want to know more about technical analysis, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. This means it is pretty much one-on-one trading for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal. So, and guys, what was the reason of its most recent movement to the downside, during which from its swing high, this asset lost about 13, almost 14% of its value? And definitely it was the sell of one of its major investment fund, one of its major insider investor. It is a Qatar Investment Authority. As you can see, they filed this sell-off on June 14th, and they did it on June 13th. They sold the entire 19,840,073 shares for the average price of $6.78, and for now they don't have any shares at all. And definitely let me show you this news. It is the fourth largest investor in SOFI stock just completely dumped its stake. And when you see this type of action, that fourth largest investor in a certain company dumped its stake, it is definitely quite negative news. On top of that, let me quote you these bullet points. The Qatar Investment Authority sold all of its 19.84 million shares in SOFI. QIA head of active investment Ahmed Al-Hamadi is a SOFI board member. The QIA invested $500 million into SOFI stock in 2019 before the company's public debut. And this means, as you can see, if I switch again to this data, they received $134.5 million for their entire stake. This means they lost a lot on this investment for this 5 years. And let me show you this paragraph. It is not exactly clear why the QIA sold off its position. It could have been a loss of faith in SOFI, or an opinion that its money would be better off invested elsewhere, among other rationales. However, it's very clear that SOFI has been a disappointing investment for them. Shares have fallen by 33% year-over-year and by nearly 70% since the SPAC debut. And I have to say that it is not so uncommon when some of early investors cashed out from a certain company. And guys, take a look right here. The very next day, Anthony Noto, the CEO of SOFI, bought another 30,000, almost 31,000 shares of SOFI for the average price of $6.48, and he basically added almost $200,000 in his position. And guys, this means Anthony Noto is giving us a signal that he's still confident in his company. And guys, take a look right here. The day before this Qatar Investment Authority sold their shares, Lovett Robert gifted some of his shares to someone, and he gifted in total 5,000 shares during just a couple of days. And no one is talking about this action, but everybody was pointing to this major sell-off. And in general, definitely it was the reason of this sell-off. And guys, QIA fund sold their shares somewhere at this point, but Anthony Noto bought it right here at $6.48, and he's still buying his shares, and it is a very, very good sign. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. Guys, I have to say that on my previous video I told you that we might have this breakout, and when it happens we have to retest. As you can see, I drew this purple line in order to show you the retest of this sloping line from the top as the range of support, and then with the conviction of volume we should have a next leg to the upside that definitely should break this previous top in order to confirm its uptrend. But instead of the reaction out of this sloping line, we hit another range. We pretty much hit this lower border of this formation, and guys, this is nothing else but a falling bullish wedge. And in the majority of cases, in more than 80% of cases, this formation breaks to the upside. And on top of this fact, we have another confluence reason. First of all, we have this range of support, and the price action of SOFI holds this line pretty good. We have 3 touches so far, and this is the 4th touch, potential touch of this range. On top of that, guys, take a look on this arrow. Back in the days, somewhere at the very beginning of this year, right after this asset dropped to the downside and it hit the range of accumulation that I marked in one of my previous videos, we hit this golden pocket range, and this range is nothing else that the most probable range of trend reversal. On top of that, it is the range of accumulation for shorters, for algo shorters to accumulate their short position. And if I pull the Fib retracement tool from this top to this bottom, swing high to swing low, it is from 0.5 to 0.65. This is their accumulation range with the price target, guys, negative 0.236. It is let's say $4.5, and we hit exactly the same range. This means we have at least 3 reasons, fundamental and technical reasons as well, why this asset should have at least a reaction, and it has to retest. Let me put this price action potential blueprint of its price action at this very point. We have to retest this range of resistance. Then we have again we have to retest it, we have to break it, retest it from the top. In the we have to do it in the majority of cases, but definitely nothing can be guaranteed on trading. Then we have to have another leg to the upside that will establish new higher highs and higher lows. And guys, nothing has changed fundamentally for SOFI. Anthony Noto is still buying. One of their early investors sold their shares, but it tells nothing for the company itself. I have to say that they might have some kind of internal reasons why they've done it, but in general, SOFI is still extremely lucrative, especially at these levels. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. The previous price action, the previous bottom, was set again at roughly $6.47, and we are again at these levels. So why would you ignore all of these signs? Definitely for the medium and long-term holders, we can accumulate our long position. And to be honest, I'm thinking to add to buy basically some calls some call options, and I'll probably do it this Monday. And definitely, in general, SOFI is extremely interesting company, and you can rely, let's take a look right here, you can rely on all of these smart money companies who buys more in their long position. As you can see, a lot of companies opened new positions. On top of that, take a look right here. We pretty much broke the previous record of the institutional ownership in SOFI. This means more and more institutional investors want to have SOFI in their investment portfolios. So guys, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap.